Right, we're going to do a video how to change the mirror glass on your Range Rover Sport. So you don't necessarily need to do this first, but you don't need to move the mirror round. I'm just doing it to make it clearer for the video. So you see here we've got the mirror glass in. I wouldn't advise you do this too much, but you can see you can move it around. The best way to do it is to push it in at the center, and then you can get your hand behind here. And then if you pull gently, just on the tip, you should be able to pull the mirror off its mount. Let's have a go. Right, there we go. So that unclips. Right, now careful, because on some of these you've got some wires. So there we go. You can see I've got two. Oh, I've got more than. What wires have I got there? I've probably got heating. Well, I don't know.
This one's probably your heating, I think.
I think these two are your heater. I don't know what this one. It might have chromatic. It might do auto dimming. So you get mirrors with different specifications. I think this might, you know, at night. It's got this little edge. It has got a little rim around it.
I don't know if we can pick that up.
I don't know if you can see it on the. There's a little rim, like a 5mm rim around the outside. And then obviously what you can do is you can pull these connections off. I'm not going to bother on mine. Now
this one,
it's got
a connector.
It's got a connector. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, so let's wiggle these off. I don't want to put them off particularly, but hey ho.
These exposed ones inevitably get some corrosion and stuff on them.
It doesn't matter which way they go because it's just the heating coil, positive, negative, negative, positive. So I'm not going to worry too much time about marking those out. Right, now let's have a look. That connector looks like it sits in a little. There we go. Just give myself a little bit more room. And let's have a look if we can work out where the.
Just a straight pull.
Straight pull, I'm going to say.
Oh no, it looks like you do need to push that little. You got a little hook in the middle there.
Yeah, but how am I going to put? Oh, can you push on this side? Do you reckon?
Yeah, push on. Push. Yeah, use your key or something and push right in the middle there. Okay. I got this. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, I think.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, you can see.
It might just be a slope. You might get away with just a stiff pull on that. But there we go. So that's the mirror glass. Right, let's refit it now. What you've got is you've got a series of little clips. It's hard to quite see, but there's quite a lot of them either side. And they've got these guides that guide it in. But there's all these little clips here. There's all these little fingers with a little ramp that goes whoop and then docks in. So they should be fairly easy to reposition. Alright, that's the right way, isn't it? Alright, and then dock that clip back into its little holder there. But yeah, make sure you check whether you need what functions you've got. I'm trying to think. The American ones have a nice little warning that say vehicles in the mirror may be closer than they appear. So yeah, if you like that, and I've actually seen that on the Arab spec ones as well. They've got it written in Arabic, right? So it should pretty much guide itself back into place. There we go. And then just check it's not going to pop off. Give it a little move. There you go. And then put your mirror back if you've decided to pull it out. And that's your mirror glass replaced on your Range Rover Sport L494.